EDS can reduce your environmental footprint with our unique solids control process. During the drilling process, fluids or mud is pumped into the drilling pipe. This fluid is used to move the cuttings back up to the surface by way of the annulus. Once the fluids return to the surface, it is sent to the shakers. Here, the fluids are separated into liquids and solids. EDS has two unique arrangements for the solids filtering process. This is the EDS skid unit, a vertical cuttings dryer and high-speed polishing centrifuge. This is the EDS dryer unit, or MDU, utilized in the drying process of generated drill cuttings from the wellbore. This is the EDS mobile centrifuge unit, or MCU. The mobile units are able to drive in from different locations and can be set up for operations in just a few minutes. With a typical setup, the MDU receives the wet solids by way of a normal tank and track hoe. In the MDU, the wet solids go through a dryer process and are separated into dry cuttings and effluent. When using the EDS auger tank, you can eliminate the mess and push the wet solids right from the tank to the MDU. The cuttings are deposited into a haul-off tank. The effluent is moved to the MCU for further refinement. The final material from the centrifuge is added back to the active mud system, ready for reuse by the drilling rig. The EDS skid unit works in the exact same way and can be loaded by the track hoe or auger tanks. The skid unit is also able to move from location to location as needed. Using the EDS process, you will have much less waste and your cuttings will be dry, not wet, making haul-off a simpler task. Using the EDS solid control process not only greatly reduces your footprint at the site, but they are able to move from site to site as needed, giving you the flexibility to meet your production needs. Contact us today for more information.